So we're going to start off with fading in the sideburns with our number 1 guard. And then we're going to take the guard off and go in with the 0.5 lever open. And then after that, close the lever and just with the corners of the blade, just fade out those little lines that you see. Now we're going to grab our 1.5 and we're going to move a little bit lower on the beard. And now we're going to grab our number 2 and we're just going to go down with the grain of the beard. And then we're going to go up and make sure we're only doing this on the top half of the beard. We don't want to shave the whole cheek off. So point of going down with the grain is it basically cuts out all the stray hairs and just gives the beard a more uniform, clean look without taking too much off. And with the mustache, we're going to go with our number 1 guard with the grain. And again, this is going to do the same thing. It's just going to cut out all those stray hairs and just take the bulk out of the mustache. And same thing on the other side. And now we're going to comb out the mustache and just line it up. And we're going to do it right above the lip line. And the top of the mustache. And the side. Now we're going to line up the beard with one finger stretching the skin, with the other hand with the blade we're going to go down, and we're going to try to keep it high for my client here, so we're not going to push it down too much. And the back of the beard right here. And now we're going to do the neckline. Notice that I try to follow his natural lines. I try not to push deeper than that. I just like to touch the surface and just sharpen up the lines that are kind of already there. Now with clipper over comb, I'm going to take out a little bit of that density of his beard too. Now we're going to prep the skin with a hot towel for about 3 minutes. And we're going to take it off, put some shaving gel on, and now we're going to shave his neck hair. With one hand stretching the skin again, we're going to move up towards his neckline and just take it all off there, just like that. It's very important to prep the skin because if you don't, you can irritate the skin and you can possibly cut your client. So make sure you prep it with a warm towel and are using shaving gel. Wipe off all the excess gel. And now I'm just going to sharpen up the mustache with the blade. And I'm just going to cut out like the extra hairs I see around the chin over there. Apply some aftershave lotion just to soothe the skin. And on the cheeks too. And now we're going to put some beard oil on, and I'm just going to apply it on with the droppers. And then with a beard brush, I'm just going to brush the oil in. And then finally, when I sit my client up, I'm just going to cut the little stray hairs in the bottom that I see. Anything sticking out, anything that's not uniform, I'm just going to go over it one last time with the trimmers. Thanks for watching, guys, and check back in next time for some more videos. And yeah, see you guys next time.